समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा या देवी सर्वभूतेषु लक्ष्मीरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, I would like to extend a warm and a cordial welcome to each one of you. We have all gathered here on the momentous occasion of the launch of the second showroom of Abharan Jewellers in Goa today.
Our first store is there in Panjim, opposite to Mahalakshmi temple. This is when compared to Panjim store, Panjim Abharan store, this is little spacious. And here we have given a neoclassical look, we can say modern, and for the showroom I mean the modern and contemporary look. We are going with the trends, we can say, when it comes to our stores or when it comes to our jewelry. Here this is as the store is spacious, people can go through to browse the jewelry, and we have a variety of jewelry displayed here.
Starting from our traditional temple, antique, and also our speciality is coastal Karnataka jewelry, which is made in our own factory in Udupi, and we have a wide range of diamond jewelry as well, and even as well in silver jewelry. Silver, we are also specializing in articles. We do a lot of temple job works, and also silver jewelry is coming up, and that is also we have showcased here.
Possible because of the unwavering support of well-wishers and customers who are there like the backbones of Abharan family, I can say. Yeah, when we opened up our first store in Panjim, the people from Margao, Borda and Vasco and all, they no doubt they were commuted to our store in Panjim, but they have a desire, they have a request that to open a store in Margao. So it is again I have to say it is their support, it is their constant support and their interest wish that has made us to reach or to open our second store in Goa. So we are proud of you Goans, and तुमगेला आता कोणा मी केतनाय अशी नमुने सपोर्ट एक्सपेक्ट करता रस्ताती आमगेल तुमगेला रिलेशन आणि मुखार सुनो चढता वाढता वच्चो म्हूण घेवन देवा लागीं हे पुरा जी कुलदेवान आशिल्लें एक कसं म्हणटा ती आमगेल कर्मभूमी जावन घेवन आमकां मेळ्ळा हें. सो आमकां देवान आमगेल वेर अनुग्रह दवरनो तुमगेल सपोर्टान आमगेल जर्नी आमगेल हे जर्नी मुखार शिता ती म्हूण घेवन सांगता.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.